Sakshi Banerjee, and this is Vet Speaks by Heads Up for Tails. It is a myth that your indoor cat is never exposed to parasites, so there's no need to deworm them. This assumption is incorrect. The chances of an indoor cat being exposed to worms is a lot less than outdoor cats. However, most veterinarians believe that you need to deworm an indoor cat just as regularly as an outdoor cat. The reason for this is that you never know when an indoor cat may be exposed to worm eggs or larvae. It can happen just after the previous dewormer has stopped working. This is why you have to give preventive deworming very frequently. So there are top 4 probable causes for worm load in cats. Number 1, exposure to fleas. So fleas are the most common carriers of worms. Your cat could get worms by either eating a flea or maybe if a flea bites him or her. Most of it is us who expose our cats to fleas. We may not even notice while we bring in a single flea into our house, but you can be sure that that one flea is bound to find your cat once it gets inside. Number 2, exposure to worm eggs. Again, we are often the people who expose our cats to worm eggs indirectly. This is from our outdoor wear. Have you often seen your cat sniffing your shoes or your outdoor wear, checking to see where you've been? Most cats will do this because they're very curious animals. Unfortunately, this is also how they may come in contact with worm eggs. So, to prevent this, you need to keep your house neat and clean and keep all of your outdoor wear out of reach of your cats. Number 3, exposure to your other pets. Do you have other pets at home, ones that are allowed to go both indoors and outdoors? Perhaps a dog? Well, irrespective of whether this pet is your cat's friend or enemy, they both will be in contact, and that is how your cat can pick up worms. Thus, it is recommended that you deworm all your pets simultaneously, and yourself, of course. Number 4, from your cat's diet. Do you often feed raw ingredients to your cats? While raw diets are a great idea for cats, sometimes the raw ingredients may also be a source of worms or worm eggs. You can control this by sourcing your ingredients properly and complying with good hygiene standards during the preparation and processing. So how often should one deworm their cat? This depends on where you're living, what medicine are you using, and how long has your cat already been infected. You need to remember to switch between brands and medicines so that the parasites do not develop a resistance. You may have to deworm your cat as frequently as once every 3 months. In conclusion, having an indoor cat does not mean that they will never be exposed to worms. We have listed the 4 most probable causes by which your cat can come in contact with worms, worm eggs, or larvae. Regular and frequent deworming is the only way you can ensure that your pet remains parasite-free.